Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Mighty Networks, one of the most talked about community platforms in 2025. If you're looking for a detailed, honest review to see if it's the right fit for your community building needs, you're in the right place. Let's break down everything this platform has to offer, from its standout features to the potential drawbacks so you can make an informed decision. Right off the bat, Mighty Networks positions itself as an all-in-one platform for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses to build thriving communities, courses, and memberships. The interface is sleek and modern, with a strong emphasis on customization, allowing you to tailor the look and feel to match your brand. One of the biggest selling points is its ability to host everything in one community: discussions, courses, events, and even monetization options like subscriptions and one-time payments. The platform integrates seamlessly with tools like Zoom, Stripe, and Zapier, making it a versatile choice for those who rely on third-party apps. On the positive side, Mighty Networks excels in engagement features. The community feed is dynamic, with options for posts, polls, and direct messaging, fostering real interaction. The mobile app is a huge plus, keeping your community accessible on the go, and the analytics dashboard provides solid insights into member activity. However, it's not all perfect. Some users might find the pricing a bit steep, especially if you're just starting out. The advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans, which could be a barrier for smaller creators. Additionally, while the customization is robust, it does have a learning curve, and beginners might need some time to fully navigate all the options. Another minor gripe is that the design templates, while flexible, aren't as drag-and-drop intuitive as some competitors. The courses plan starts at $109 per month, offering basic community-building tools with gamification but lacks full automation and chat features. The business plan, priced at $199 monthly, adds custom fields and better integrations but still limits automations. The growth plan costs $360 per month and includes advanced features like more live stream hosts and dedicated support, though some automations remain restricted. For enterprises, Mighty Pro offers custom-branded apps and premium services. Each tier scales with features targeting different stages of community growth. Overall, Mighty Networks is a powerful platform for those serious about building a dedicated community with integrated courses and monetization. It's packed with features that justify the cost for established creators, but newcomers should weigh their budget and needs carefully. If you're looking for a scalable, all-in-one solution and don't mind investing time to master it, this could be your best bet in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this. See you in the next one.